Hello everyone! Chris wants to know kung ano pa yung mga complements na pwedeng idagdag sa ating subject at verb para magkaroon ng mas magandang meaning yung ating sentence. So, ang mga complements natin ay yun yung mga word o group of words added to predicates to complete or to add meaning. Pwede kasing meron tayong subject at verb, may thought na yan. Pwede ring dagdagan natin ang modifier. May thought na din yan, the young boy studied hard. Pero meron tayong mga sentence na may subject nga at saka verb, pero wala pa ring thought. Katulad nito, Jerry gave. Jerry gave what? To whom? Walang sagot. Pero pwede natin yan gamitan ng complements. Katulad nito, Jerry gave me a cake. Ginamitan natin ng complements. The young boy is tuldok. The young boy is what? Gamitan natin ng complement. The young boy is smart. So, ang complement nating pag-uusapan ngayon, since may mga subject at verbs sa isang sentence na wala pa ring thought, wala pa ring sense, kung walang direct object. Okay, yung direct object, yan lang yung mga noun o pronoun or a group of words which receives the action of a transitive verb. Yan yung mga words na sumasagot sa tanong na what o kaya naman ay whom after an action verb. Sa madaling salita, ang direct object, yan yung tumatanggap kung ano yung verb. Kung may sagot na, halimbawa, Hazel made a cake for her sister. Ito yung ating subject. Hazel. Si Hazel daw ay made. Gumawa daw siya ng, anong ginawa niya? Cake. Dun sa tinanong ko na anong ginawa niya, ang ating verb ay ginawa, di ba? Yung ating verb ay ginawa. Anong ginawa niya? Cake. Itong ginawa niya na to, itong cake na to, ang tatawagin nating direct object. Siya yung tagatanggap sa tanong na itong verb natin made. Hazel made what? Cake. To. The young boy called his mother at the office. So, itong ating subject, boy, the young boy, anong ginawa niya? Called. So, yung young boy called whom? Sino daw tinawag nitong young boy? Mother. His mother. Itong his mother na to ang ating direct object. Siya yung sumagot sa tanong na sino yung tinawag ng young boy. Itong verb natin ay called. Sino yung tinawag ng young boy? His mother. So, ganyan lang yung pagtingin natin o paggawa natin ng sentence. Lalagyan natin ng direct object. Kung ano yung ginagawa natin. Halimbawa, Hazel made what? Cake. The young boy called whom? Mother. So, ganyan yung ating mga object. Direct object. Tingnan natin to. The dog hates when her owner puts her on a leash. Ating subject dyan, tingnan natin, itong dog. Hates to. Hates. Hates what? When her owner puts her on a leash. Pwede kasi ang ating direct object ay clause. Ito ay clause since meron tayong, ito ay independent clause since meron tayong to, conjunction. Yan ay ang ating direct object. Sumasagot sa tanong na hates. Hates what? When her owner puts her on a leash. Ito namang, I assumed what? Ito ating subject. Ito ating verb. I assumed what? I assumed that the policy was cancelled. Ito ang ating clause na direct object ng ating verb. Ito naman, Tommy prefers the librarian with red glasses. Puro sila mahabang salita. Kasi ang direct object, pwede siyang mga clause o phrases. Di lang siya limited sa words. Tommy prefers what? Tommy prefers the librarian with red glasses. Itong librarian talaga yan. May kasama lang na phrase, prepositional adjective phrase. Ito naman, Shannon loves what? Traveling to Europe. Yung after ng transitive verb natin, kalimitan lagi ay kasunod ang direct object. Sumasagot sa tanong na what? Shannon loves what? Shannon loves traveling to Europe. Itong traveling to Europe ang ating direct object. Europe welcomed whom? Millions of tourists last year. Ang ating direct object ay itong millions of tourists last year. Europe subject, welcomed verb, Europe welcomed whom? Ang sumagot sa tanong na whom ay itong millions of tourists. So, pag ganito naman, the kindergarteners prefer short stories over poetry. Ating subject ay kindergarteners. Prefer. Mas pinipili nila what? Ano yung mas pinipili nila? Short stories over poetry. So, ito ang ating direct object. Sumasagot sa tanong na ito, kindergarteners prefer what? Poetry harkens people from all across the globe. Poetry subject, harkens, itong ating verb. Ang ating object ay itong people from all across the globe. Ano naman, ang ating Jack chased Jill and her merry band of friends. Ang ating subject ay Jack. Ang ating verb ay chased. Chased whom? Jill. Jill and her merry band of friends. Yan ang ating direct object. Ito pa, Dad built what? A tree house for my 11th birthday. Itong tree house ang ating direct object. So, kalimitan sa isang sentence ay pwedeng clause, phrase, o words ang ating direct object. Yun lang palagi ay katabi ng ating transitive verb. Ang transitive verb ay nangangailangan ng direct object. So, pwede tayong makagawa ng mga sentence na merong direct object. Sumasagot sa tanong na ano, nung transitive verb ng ating verb. So, bilang practice, pwede natin itong pwede tayong mag-self-test. Tingnan natin kung itong mga sentence ba na to ay merong direct object o wala. 1 to 6. Pwede nating tanungin ang sarili natin kung itong sentences ba na to ay may direct object. Tandaan natin na ang direct object, kalimitan ay sumusunod pagkatapos ng transitive verb. Yun ang sumasagot sa tanong na ano o kaya naman ay whom. Okay? So, that's all. Thank